Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Bharti. Hope you are doing well. This is my next video to Trellix DLP series. So let's start. In my last video, I have explained you how to install Windows Server 2016 on Hyper-V machine and promote it as a domain controller. But today I will explain you how to download, install and configure SQL Server. SQL Server is also major component to configure the Trellix DLP server. So let's begin. First of all, log in the Google Chrome and paste below URL to the download the setup. Okay, after download the setup, you just extract the setup. Now logged in your Windows server and start the installation. Double click on the SQL setup, accept the license agreement, put the instance name, put the default instance name, change the server startup type, then select the SQL Login Mix Mode. After the installation has been begin and will start. Now start the live demonstration. First of all, copy the URL and paste here. Now go a little below and click the first link, Express Core 411 MB. Just click on it. Download will be start. Okay, but already I have installed, that's why I am pause this installation. This is the installation file. This is the file we have already installed. This is the 411 MB and already extract. This is the extract folder. Okay, just we move this folder to the server and start the installation. Here is a setup file, but we have already installed this setup on my server, but I will guide you how to install. We have already write all the steps over here in my notepad file. You just follow or installed. Okay. Now I am telling you how to install your SQL Server. Just click on your setup file. Okay, just click on New SQL Server Standalone Installation. Please wait while Microsoft SQL Server 2016 setup process the current operation. Okay, click on next. It will check the installation file. Okay, I think everything is passed, but there is a one warning, like domain controller. Means it is recommended you do not install your SQL server on the domain controller server. You should be use the separate server. Okay, but we don't have a separate server. That's why we are installing the SQL server on the same domain controller server. Okay, just click on the next. Perform a new installation server. Accept the license agreement. Select the instance feature. Here is the path where your SQL server is going to be installed. Okay, the next. Okay, this is the default instance name. You can see this is the MSSQL server. already I have installed this MSSQL server on my server. That's why it is showing over here. Okay, next you just click on the next and it will be installed after 5 to 10 minutes. So you can see that there is no steps available. After installation has been completed, you just take the restart once. Okay, now we go to the configuration part. Okay, just I launch our SQL server. Click on the Microsoft SQL Server 2016 and click on SQL Server 2016 configuration. First of all, you go to the protocol for the MS SQL Server. Just enable the TCP IP. Then go to the property, advanced, click on the property of TCP IP addresses. You just check the port number 1433. It is a SQL server port. DLP application required a SQL server with the help of this port only, 1433. Okay, it should be there. You just check it, it should be there. If it is not provided over here, you can put 1433 here. Okay, just click on OK. Now the configuration part has been completed. Thank you everyone to watching this video. Just I want to tell you again, don't miss my next video, because in my next video I will configure the EPO management tool server. It is a very important. It is the base application server to configure DLP server. Okay, thank you. Thanks everyone.